Hello, my name is Elite and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will explain the word fluctuate, its meaning, definition and the example. Fluctuate. The definition of fluctuate is to be continually changing or varying in an irregular way. The synonyms of fluctuate are vacillate, undulate, swing, alternate. Now let me show the example of fluctuate word in sentences are. It can also fluctuate during the month depending on your menstrual cycle. Sizes can fluctuate up and down at least 2 sizes, depending on the brand. Your breast size will fluctuate throughout the first few months of nursing. The symptoms of secretory-otitis media develop gradually and fluctuate. Please like, share, subscribe and support my channel. That's all for this video. See you in next video.